Question 11 is 5 marks. The question says, Zhou, I think, invests some money for 2 years. He invests 2,500 with Bank A and 3,000 with Bank B. Bank A, he invests 2,500 and they give you the ratio. So the ratio of the amount of money he invested to the total amount of interest of the 2 years is 20 to 3. Bank B, he invests 3,000, 4% per year, compound interest for 2 years. And then the question says, Zhou receives more interest from Bank A than Bank B. How much more? What we want to do now is to find the interest he got from Bank A and the interest he got from Bank B, and then we subtract them. So for Bank A, it's a ratio problem. So let's just write money invested to interest. So it's 20 to 3. That's what's given, right? And then he invested 2,500. Then this will be x. I'm setting up a proportion. Now what's 2,500 divided by 20? It's 125. That means we multiplied the 20 by 125 to get 2,500 times 125, right? 20 times 100 is 2,000, 20 times 25 is 500, yeah. And then if we multiply one side by 125, we multiply the other side by 125. So what's 3 times 125? 3 times 125 is 375. So this is the profit he got from Bank A, 375. That's good. Now for Bank B, it's compound interest. Do you know the formula of the compound interest? Let's just write it down here. For the compound interest, the final amount is equal to the original amount times 1 plus the percent divided by 100 to the number of terms or the number of years. Now let's write that. How much he invested? 3,000 times 1 plus. What percent is he getting? 4 out of 100 to the number of years, which is 2 years. If you plug this in your calculator, this will give you, just check the calculator, this will give you, just do it. Now let's write it together. 3,000, 1 plus 4 divided by 100 squared. This will give you 3,244.8. Since he invested 3,000, that means the interest he got is 3,244.8 minus 3,000, which is 244.8. Now let's go up there. The interest he got here is 244.8. Now the question asks, how much more? How much more is you just do this minus this. So 375 minus 244.8, that gives you 375 minus 244.8, that's equals 130.2, and that's your answer. That's 5 marks. Now let's look at question 12. Question 12 is cumulative frequency